Hey, welcome back, guys. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you how I create my covers for my low content books for KDP and Canva. Now, you can use any graphic web designer that you choose. I personally use Canva and Illustrator. I use them both. Canva is a free tool that you can use. So if you are not a graphic designer or don't have all that great design skills as of yet, I highly recommend that you use Canva. So I'm going to show you how I create the covers of my books using Canva. And if you don't know who I am Dee Willis. I love creating passive income, learning different ways to create different forms of passive income for my coins, and I hope you do too. And if that is something that you like to learn how to do, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified of when I upload more videos like this and others, as well as do the thumbs up thing. All right, so let's just dive right on into the video. Let's pull up Chrome really quick. So the very first thing, of course, this goes to if you already have your interior done, right? So I already created a book of 124 pages. So what you will want to do is log into your KDP account, go up to help, scroll down where it says format your book. Of course, this is a paperback book, so you're going to click paperback. And then in the middle where it says download a cover template, you're going to go over to this template calculator. Now, the best thing to do is to go ahead and drop this site right onto your favorites bar so you can get directly here. I mean, I have it saved, but I wanted to show you exactly where it was located. So you pick your binding type, which is a paperback, your interior, which mine is black and white for this particular book. The paper type is white. The page direction, of course, you're turning it from left to right. And then the units are in inches. And my trim of this book is a 5x8. And that's because this particular book, it needs to be smaller in size. And now I know it's 124 pages. So I'm going to calculate the dimension. And here goes your cover. Now at the top where it says full cover, that includes the bleeds, which of course, I'm going to need a bleed because I'm going to have my image go all the way across the book here. And once anything that has bleed, your whole book needs to be made with bleed, even if it's one page. So I always typically use bleed because I'd rather be safe than sorry. And of course, down here it says on the left-hand column, it says download a template. So you just click download a template. And then you save this to a file on your desktop, okay? Now, I already have downloaded this template, so let's go over here and let me show you. The very first thing you'll want to take note of is this top number here, because you need to make a document in Canva approximately this size. So I will go over to Canva, click Create a Design. Go down to custom design, make sure you change it to inches, and then put 10.529 by 8.25, and it creates the document for me. Okay, so now here goes the document. Now remember our paperback file that we saved, right? Once you open it, and I can do that here, let me drop this into a folder real quick so I can kind of show you how that's done. Okay, so I can just show you an example really quick here. Okay, so when you save it and then you open it up, it will come with these in the file. So you can just click and drag that file right into Canva and it uploads it. Okay, so now it's going in there as a picture. Once it's finished uploading, you can just click it once and it'll put it on your board. Take it all the way to the top and stretch it out to where it clicks in place. Okay, so now you have your board there. Now, here is what I like to do. You have some people that may go up to Elements, grab a square, you just click it and it'll put it on the board. And they'll cover it completely like this, and then they will go to the transparency and lighten it up so they can see the template underneath. I have a better way. I go to File, Show Ruler. Now it brings up these rulers. Now what you can do with the rulers is you can drag out little lines. And what I do is I drag out the lines for this template. So I go right here, so I know to keep all of my text inside of these lines. And I know that middle line right here, that line is like the cut line. This line right here at the 2.248 is like the safety zone. So I always outline my safety zone. And then I also put it on the cut line, right? Now this is not going to, it has a spine right here in the middle, but I'm not writing anything in the spine. So I don't need to like put a little guide on that little centerpiece. I'm just worried more about the outside trim of everything. And I just line my guide up with the lines. Okay, so now it doesn't matter. And then you can go up to File and you can remove the Show the Rulers, and your guides are there. You can also turn off your guides, but you can also put your guides back on by just re-clicking it. Also, let me go back to the Show Ruler again, because I like to make sure I don't mess around and put a design over this barcode area, right? Because that's where the barcode is going to be. So if any important text you put on your book, like if you put in a website or anything, you don't want it to get cut off when Amazon puts the barcode on. So you want that part to be safe. Now you can turn your rulers off. You can keep your rulers on. It's just a total preference up to you. So now this is my guide. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to design it. So let me take a moment here. And I'm probably gonna speed this up or cut out and come back because I am designing a real cover. So I'm taking my time with this, right? Okay, so there you have it. Here is our finished product for the mileage logbook I was creating. So this is kind of going to be the cover of it all. And we're going to see how everything goes. So this is exactly how I make my cover. I'm going to take the guides off and I am going to download it as a print PDF. So it is ready to upload into KDP for the book. Well, guys, there you have it. That is how you create your cover for your low content books in Canva. And if you found this video helpful to you, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified of when I upload videos similar to this and others. And do not forget to do the thumbs up thing. That will be greatly appreciated. I'll see you next time in the next video.